Hi friends, Brandy Millsap here with Brandy Millsap Wellness, and I'm super excited to be with you today because there's been a lot of changes that have been going on around our family and our household. So my husband and I decided that we wanted to reduce all the stress in our lives and that we really wanted to just live life. And so we bought a semi-truck and we decided that we were going to travel the United States and Canada and take our traveling oils with us so that I can actually meet people in real life rather than just over social media, be able to teach classes, be able to just have coffee with people. And then we're going to take anywhere from 2 months to 4 months a year, and we're going to go cruise all around the world. So that's kind of our plan, and it's been amazing so far. So I have taken a little bit of a break from posting on YouTube because it's been a lot of transition. So today I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I've been using out on the road so far. And one of them, and this might be a little bit personal, but one of them is when you're out on the road, you use the public bathroom quite often, right? And so when you have to go number 2, it's kind of embarrassing. And I don't know about you guys, but I just have a complex about it. Like, I can't do it. Maybe you can, I can't. So what I did is I went ahead and made some Poo Pourri. So it's really simple, very cost effective, under $2. So what you need is a glass bottle, just a small one, some rubbing alcohol, and then your favorite essential oil. And in this case, I chose the Holiday Joy, which has got like cinnamon and orange and clove and white fir, so it smells kind of Christmassy. That's kind of funny, Christmassy poop. Anyway, so what you do is you're going to put about this much rubbing alcohol in it. So maybe 1/8 of a cup of rubbing alcohol, and then about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil, and then you're going to top it off with water. And then all you do when you go to the restroom is shake it up, spray it in the toilet bowl before you go number 2, and then boom, it just masks the smell. So isn't that genius? I just love it. And cost effective and simple and easy and natural. So the other thing is being out here on the road, we go into a lot of public places, and some of them, like the restaurants or even the restrooms, they're not that clean, and that really bothers me. Maybe I'm a germaphobe and I just don't know it. But if you watch some of my other videos, I'm pretty sure I've got one in there that talks about On Guard. So let me tell you about On Guard. It's a proprietary blend from doTERRA, and it kills, it's antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal. This kills like germs like you wouldn't believe. So what doTERRA has done is they have taken it and put it in this hand sanitizing mist, so you can just carry this around in your diaper bag or your purse or your briefcase, and it's more effective. It's not super full of alcohol, so it doesn't dry your skin out, and it's super effective to clean anything and everything. So obviously I'm using this every time I go to the restroom, but I'm also using it when we go to the restaurant. I just spray the table down, you know, because you can even tell that it just hasn't been cleaned that well. Unfortunately for me, because I'm out on the road now, I'm not able to get like my orders really quick. So what I did is I just added water and the On Guard oil actually to this until I can get my other shipment in. So that is the On Guard hand sanitizer and the Poo Pourri. You guys are gonna love this. So be sure to check me out on Facebook at Brandy Millsap Wellness, and also on Instagram at Brandy_Millsap_Wellness for tips, tricks, diffuser blends, ways that you can use your essential oil. And if you are ready to get started using essential oils, like, now is the time to do it. Even if you can't afford the $2,000 kit, that's okay. Get started, even if it's just with the wholesale account, $35 and one oil. The lemon essential oil has so many uses, and it's $10, you guys. So if you're ready to get started, let me know in the comments below. I'll even send you a sample if you'd like to try it first. But these are so phenomenal and so incredible, you're gonna love them. So I hope that you join me next week. Each Wednesday I try to do a post, at least one post, sometimes 2 posts, and I might even start adding in like our travels and where we're at and where we're going. So have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.